I am down on Frank's authority to buy 200 keys. That's it. That's my limit. I got no right. Nobody got no right to negotiate with Frank Lopez.
Let him finish, okay? Let him propose a proposition, hey. Then we can talk more.
Montana, you got no authority here, okay? I started doing this fucking business. Shut the fuck up.
Game, come take a seat. I'm calling Pop.
That's up to Frank, not you.
We talking racks, I got a lot of it. Yeah, we got the chop, the same chop they have been lying with. Way before I ever wrote a rap, was trying to slide on shit. Oh, that's your favorite rapper, he be capping, he a capper. I'm your favorite trapper's favorite trapper. I feel like I'm Tommy Buns when he was on Nebraska. I'ma shoot this bitch and then walk off like it ain't happening.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jessica on the keys, and I'm back with another video. It's been a minute, bro. Literally a month. And you can see I look different. You feel me? I cut my hair off and everything. I'm gonna get in all of that later. But now we're at Tesla. They got a cybertruck in here. That's why I'm finna show you the cybertruck. The cybertruck is hard as fuck. They got like the whole thing. Look at Tesla. This is a cybertruck. This is a cybertruck that has 800 horsepower, all-wheel drive. It is meant for off-roading. Look how big this tire is. We can wait till everybody get out the car so we can get in there. But we just gotta respect the people who's in there. Sometimes people don't like to be on camera, so we can respect that. It has 800 horsepower, all-wheel drive. I don't know if this one has the two motors. I don't think so, because I think there's one that has two motors that makes 1,000 horsepower. I don't think this is one of them. It has 800 horsepower. But just look at the body. Like, look how it comes up, then that sleds down. It's an option of buying a electric four-wheel, actually. So that's pretty cool. A decent bed. I mean, you can open it. It has a pretty good truck bed. We got 2.2K followers. We need to get to 10K by the end of this year. But the road to 3K. Alright, y'all. So I'm finna show you the inside of the Tesla Cybertruck. You feel me? Just look at it. That's a cool way to open the doors. You got those push that button. That's pretty cool. The LED lights with the white accents, bro. That is crazy. Look, it says Cybertruck right here. That's hard. Bro, what? This is crazy. Look at the steering wheel. Nah, that's shit. Look at it is open in front. But look how small the hood is. That's hard. And it tells you that the hood is open. Can you close the door by the... I wonder if we can close the door by the... Dang, I don't think we can. Hold on. I don't think it will tell you if we can close the door. I'm gonna close the door. And you can see that they close and then it'll show you the display. That's cool. Well, it's a lot of things that this vehicle has, bro. I don't know where to even start. I guess you can change your suspension. You can change your suspension. You can open and close the tailgate from in here. You can turn your headlights on through here. Open the glove box. That's okay. That's hard. You can fold in the mirrors, bro. The steering wheel. You can adjust it. That's okay. Ridiculous, bro. Oh my god. Alright. Restore? Oh, it's restoring everything. That's hard. You guys, so we're at 12. Oh my god, you cannot see me. I'm finna go in though. So, check what they got. I8 right there. Look at it. What's this? It's 62. It's like a 62. That probably is a 62. Oh, C62. Oh, that's okay. C63, yes. This is the one that if I ever have to pick between an E63S and a C63S, I might have to go with the E63S. But also, this is the same thing, but just a rear-wheel drive version. And the E63S is also rear-wheel drive, but it has a rear-wheel drive mode. It's black convertible. It's actually pretty nice though. Jeez. Peep the interior though. This door's locked. D706 with a 6.2 supercharger. You know, did review for this before. So you already know what this is. It's color. I've never seen an orange one with white stripes. Manual buggy seats. I do like this color though. You know, we got a Hellcat. See how it's purple. For me. It's got to be probably like a 2021 because it's just a regular and a Redeye. That doesn't have to be a hustler. Yellow Brembos. Regular black Hellcat interior with carbon fiber in down to them. 17 probably. This is like the newer ones, so probably like 717. That big supercharger. Big charger. I think I hit y'all with a montage. You feel me? We got a good fleet here, so I can hit y'all with a montage with it.
Every time we find out where they be, we shoot up where they chillin' at. Niggas love talking the most until like how she eat his neck. I pin my bitch in double C, she brought the Glock in through the bag. You shoot a told that's still your man, cause you ain't never but she gang. These niggas love to click with blocks and troll another nigga rank. He tried to take back what he said when he seen Skino up his gas. She know we shot her baby pop, she still on dick, she heard I rant. I told bro, you know I go sober, but I shoot best.
I don't like the camera when it's like real bright and stuff. So I just want to look around. They got an SRTG right there. They got an old school right here. They got a Bentley right there. AMG, you feel me? Yeah, they got a big ass TRX. Ferrari over there, you feel me? We finally got these TRX though, because everything's getting beat by this TRX. You ain't got that Redeye fucking logo on it. That shit hard as shit.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
What the fuck? A TRX, what the fuck? Redeye motor right there. I think I stole it. Oh yeah. But no, this big ass stupid as fuck. You feel me? Big ass TRX. I can't even see myself. But big ass TRX. These big TRX. I low key want to see the TRX start up. But this is a blueberry. Bro, Cam. It has a Redeye on it. Bro, look at the Redeye. Look how hard that is. Look at the Redeye. That's what I'm saying, bro. Hold on, wait there. It has to, bro. This has to be. If it has to have a Redeye Hellcat logo on it, bro, it got to be. It got where's the hit? Where's the hit?
How much is the truck?
It got to be a Redeye motor in it. Like, you can't do it. It got to be a Hellcat Redeye. Where is it?
Is it? It looks like it. Ooh.
Big body TRX too.
Gee.
The supercharger is hiding. If I can see it through there, it's hiding. We probably see it better right there. That's water. But it got to have a Redeye. Here, y'all can probably see it better right there.
Did you hear that RDA come down here?
Yeah, I did. So,
Wow. I wonder how much this costs.
big body TRX. You feel that highlight. See if you can.
Can I get it back?
Nah, hold on. This a big body. Holy fuck.
And he's clean.
That's a TRX.
Imagine Nanny bought one of these.
It has hardened cartons. Bro, I could see myself driving up against TRX, bro. They be huge. Can y'all see me? Yeah, TRX, bro, banging gears, bro. Here in the supercharger. Comment down below if y'all think if I think I should get TRX. If I think I should get TRX, bro, you gotta like this video, subscribe, you feel me? So we can get the TRX, you feel me? Cause DB got a Redeye logo on it. But we might have to really put a Redeye in it, you feel me? So, got different mode right here, a big screen, big iPad like Tesla. This wheel feels amazing. Alcantara on the top, you feel me? Leather the rest, you feel me? I can drive it all day if I want to. It's a daily right here.
Are the windows already tinted?
I think so. But yeah, this is a big ass TRX. So we're finna see what we can do with this stuff. You feel me? I might just give y'all a montage with this also. Then we're probably gonna see if we can do something with the TRX. You feel me? But then we can check out the rest of the cars. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. So we're finna go see the SRTG. You feel me? Because I ain't see the SRTG yet. It's SRTG? SRTG fire though. I'm sorry if it's windy and everything, but SRTG fire. Door slot. It's SRTG. Damn, I get the pandas there. SRTG, no, still it. I ain't gonna lie. That'd be hard. M4 competition. M4. I8. N5. Got Germans lined up. That's hard though. This look like it has red interior. Yeah, that's a lot. You got red interior. Is this a competition? Yeah, it's a cop. If it's not a competition, what are you doing? But what would y'all prefer though? The old M4 or the new M4? I ain't gonna lie. The old M4s are still hard to me. So I would most definitely put the old M4 over anything for it. Because these things are still some decent stuff. I ain't gonna lie. They got a Barbus. Look at this M5. Hope no one's saying about the M5. That is M5. It's not a comp. I love the M5. M5 hard. Looks like it's really. They got burgers in there too. I don't know if I can show the burgers though. So I don't know what they do with the burgers. They got 4x4 burgers. That's what's up. Look like they got this Mercedes SUV. I want to say it's a GLE 63. It looks like it. It looks mean as hell. So it might be a GLE 63. I hope it's a GLE 63. I see a carbon fiber wheel. I might be right. Hold on. I see AMG brakes. I'm gonna go. I know my cars, but it's a GLE 63 years. I have not seen this car yet. Maybe I'm hard, bro. Bi-turbo, you feel me? For V8, you feel me? Twin turbo. I know, but when I seen that carbon wheel, I had faith. Oh, they're moving that M5. Shit, I want to do a rev for that M5. I think I can get a new battery soon. The battery's finna die. I'm gonna keep going past till it dies, for real. Hopefully y'all can see me good. Y'all can't really see me because of the sun, for real. SRTG. What's this? This a wide body Lexus?
Yeah.
Look at this. This is a wide body Lexus, y'all.
I go crazy.
Let's go crazy. I ain't never seen a wide body Lexus. What Lexus is this? Look at the side skirts. Bro, this is big. Oh, turbos. Oh, who car is this? Who car? I don't even worry about the truck hard no more. But look at this. This is 2 twin turbos coming out the ass of this Lexus. Who car is this? Please let me know, you guys. or the owner, comment down below, bro. I want to see this car. I look like it shoots flames. I hope it shoots flames. That's hard. That's a cheat sheet looks hard. Look, that's the Johnny though. But look at this. But they already got peanut butter guts. Oh my god!
Wow.
They got peanut butter guts. Time for it's cold though. They got rusty exhaust. So this is most definitely a Johnny track car. I mean a Johnny SRT. But I ain't gonna lie, but this is hard though. Who car is this? This is hard. Man, I gotta change my battery. I'm gonna get back with y'all.